I'm on my way to Midwest City, Oklahoma for the Oklahoma City Regional. And today we're bowling at Planet Bowl. Is, in my mind, one of the hardest houses to strike in. So you're probably gonna see a million quarter pins, plenty of guys getting to the pocket, but very few being able to strike. Hopefully, I'm one of the guys who can strike. So I will see you at Planet Bowl right now. All right, so last game, I made some improper adjustments. They started hooking really early, so I tried to move a little further left away from it, tried to speed it up a little bit, and it looked like absolute trash. We're back slow hooking. Game 3, I already shot 202. Game 4, I am gonna go way back left and throw it really hard with a weaker ball, just to try and keep it on line because the shots that I miss hook through the face, and I can't be affording to hook through the face like every third shot. Harder, straighter, more pocket shots. Game 5 coming up, and I'm gonna throw it the in-between speed. I threw it hard last game, tripled early, didn't double again, missed a spare, so I shot 202. And I just need a little more than 202. I need like 210 a game. I need it to strike when I hit the pocket. Hit the pocket plenty that game. Just gotta string some together here. String some together here. All right, so game 5, I shot 222, and that brings me like plus 80. So I'm gonna need some more of those games, and the cut's gonna be right around like 30 or 40 over, so I'm plenty within that. I just gotta have a back 3 games that are pretty good here to give myself a chance going into tomorrow to actually win this thing, because I don't wanna put myself too far behind. We're now chucking it over the fronts at a very slow speed so my ball doesn't hook early. Worked really well the last two games, like 220, 240, so I'm sitting at 140 over, 130 something over. Yeah, we're looking to keep that pace going. Another 240, close it out, and I'll be right up there with the leaders. So I shot 234 my last game, which put me at 175 over. Not a bad finish. I think I'm sitting in 8th. So day 2 coming up right now. Day two playing at bowl, Oklahoma City. Currently 175 over, and they're cutting from 32 to 16, and 16th right now is 105. So good 4 games here, and I should be in the top 16. Alright, so game 1, 211 for me. Bad shot in the 9th where I big 4, but besides that, pretty good in the pocket most of the game. Here we come, game 2. I'm switching balls. I'm going to try and hook it a little more with a stronger purple hammer and just give myself a little more miss room. I felt like I didn't have as much miss room to strike, and hopefully this game I do. Ball change. Oh, that's so far left. Stay out there, stay out there. I'm just gonna go sit down. I went an additional 91 over round 2, which put me from 8th all the way up to 3rd. So we're looking real good now, and now the cut goes from 16 to 8 bowlers. So hopefully 4 more good games and I can stay inside of that top 8 number, and again, keep myself in good position for that top 4 step ladder. That's a bad break. Game 1, 177, game 2, 220 something. So about even for 2. I think I'm still like in 5th. I started off in 4th, dropped to 5th. So hopefully back up instead of down. Oh, it even leaned on it. Pretty close to the color. Like he'll just bowl fucking back. Like for those 4 games, I stayed in the top 8, so I made the cut, and I went 41 over. The first game, 175, not good. But the next couple games, I switched to reactive. I switched to my verge solid, played really up and at him, played a tighter line, and just found a way to not split, which my purple hammer was struggling reading the lanes too early. So I switched to reactive ball, got it through the fronts, and I find myself now 40 over that round, sitting in 5th or 4th overall. We got 4 more games, and then they're cutting to the step ladder. So hopefully I'm bringing my stealth in, and hopefully that's the magic ball. Well, that stealth was absolutely money. Those 4 games went by and I went 140 over to get myself to 2nd place. I wasn't 5th, jumped all the way up to 2nd, and I'm sitting in 2nd for the step ladder. I'm gonna face Sean Lavery Spar in my match, and hopefully I can take him down and have a chance at the title. Let's see how I do. All right, well that wraps it up for me in Planet Bowl here at the regional. I finished 3rd and I qualified 2nd. So I lost to Sean Lavery Spar, shot 268. Congrats to him. And I'll be popping out of here and leaving early, getting to Wichita as quick as possible. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.